evening, all of you.
Good evening.
How are you all? I am also fine. So today, me and my all friends discuss about today's topic. So today's topic is water. So Subhi, tell me something about water.
Water is the most important things for everyone because it is the most important of the things of nature that gives by nature, and every living beings need water a lot.
Yes. Then in our area there are many people they waste a lot of water. Then how can we save water?
We can say
How can we change that type of person thinking that they said that we waste they said that they waste water, but they don't think that they waste water.
I think we can't change their thing a lot because and whenever they use water they thought that I use only enough water. They don't thought that I use a lot of water, and
But they
we
don't
can-
use, they only waste.
yeah, but they don't think. Whenever we use water, then we can't thought that's why, and we use water more and more. And if we makes our work in enough water, still we use a lot of water. So, and tell me the other things that makes our water safe.
Many people they use shower,
Yeah.
but if they don't use shower, they fill a 1 or 2 bucket water and they take bath. And many people they wash all dishes and they on tap, but when after that they washed all dishes at that time, the last time they do tap off.
I think water is wasted by technology because when we washes dishes in the sink, at that time we waste a lot of water.
But it's not so. In sink we also save water.
How can we say?
We wash one dish and at that time we tap off.
Yeah, and I think no
Like,
one that
no one do this and no one think this.
yeah, and water is very important because in every harvest we need water, and if we grow any harvest in a field, like there's a lot of fields that needs water a lot, like maize and rice. Rice contains a lot of water. And so, and what's ask me if you want to ask any question. You know, water contains a lot of things. You know about it, like sulfur, carbon, and sodium. That makes our body avoid like toxic and harmful substance. How can we filter our water?
We can filter our water by boils. Yeah. If we do this, then germs and bacteria die by heatness.
Yeah.
Then we can filter our water.
And people thought that our water is very pure, like than the home remedy that we use for boiling water after that filter.
Yeah.
So what's your opinion about it?
In my opinion, RO's water is pure.
Yeah. Then when we use boiling water and it is filtered, then this RO water is pure than home remedies water.
Yeah. But if we don't clean our ROs, then ROs create a lot of problem. You know about this? If we don't clean our ROs, then we suffer from blood cancer. You know?
I don't know about it very well. If you know, then tell me.
I know this. You know that many rich men suffered by this problem because they use RO's water, but they don't clean their RO.
And that's why they suffer from injurious disease like blood cancer. We need water in many ways, like growing anything in our fields, and other ways like washing clothes and washing in many ways.
Yeah.
So, which way wasted a lot of water?
I think we wasted water from bathing. If we need only 1 or 2 buckets, then we fall it 2 and 4 buckets.
Ask me if you want to ask.
How can we save our rivers and canals?
We can save our rivers in many ways. If you want to save the rivers and canals, for that you first you improve yourself. Just like you throw a lot of garbage in the rivers and canals, and we can drink water. After that, we dispose that bottle in the canal. We don't throw. If this bottle include in this bottle, then our water can be polluted.
Yeah.
No one thought that. And there's a lot of animals they consume rivers water because there are no high opportunity for drinking water. We have to reduce this all things that we do daily. Yeah. Tell me which crops contains a lot of water.
In my opinion, rice contains a lot of water. Rice, we have to plant day by day in rice.
Yeah. But I think that rice is a polluted harvest.
No, it's not rice.
No, I think that rice is a polluted harvest.
Why can you?
Because then we grow up this harvest. At that time there's a lot of mud, and in that water include a lot of bad things, like
No, you know about this Nepal's people. And when we grow rice, then they live in their fields many fishes. Then
yeah,
Then we
also
have
saw a lot
get
of
many
fishes in these crops, but also rice is polluted crops.
I don't know about it.
Okay. You want to ask? You want to ask?
Means many times you know this thing when our facilities in increase, at that time we fall skill much. Means tomorrow Subi said that the water of RO is, yeah, yesterday, and she said that the water of RO is much pure than the water of summer and many things. But nowadays we fall ill much than the past pupils. Past people also drink the water of river and canals and trees many ways.
You know that means people's thinking is that our water is pure. Means it is much pure than a fresh water. But many scientists research on that. That time they found that in the RO water every means there is no mineral is saved. Means every mineral is destroyed. If it is good or bad, it doesn't matter. Means it is a simple water. It doesn't contain any type of mineral. But in fresh water, it is contain a lot of type of minerals which is useful for our body.
Yeah, also it include enzymes and bacteria.
Yeah, but you know that if we drink fresh water, then there is a lot of good minerals which is destroyed or which is also destroyed that enzyme. If many are strong enzymes, those are not destroyed. Then we use it by boiling. Means after boiling.
Means you know this thing, if we boil water, then there's bacteria and enzymes are also burned in that water.
And after it we stain it. Means
Of that plant.
I think that people use it for good because it is grow up early. Means just like other plants. If in my place means our garden is garden is situated by these trees, and there in means after 2 or 3 years that people who planted it they sold their wood, and after that they planted it again. So that's why I think that it is useful for means for selling books, because wood is also needed for
People
everyone.
thought about only the benefit.
Yeah.
They don't care about what's happening in my future and which how we consume water and what our future generation get if we do this. So if everyone know this thing, then why they planted this plant?
Means I also said that they also planted it for his benefit. Means they get a lot of benefit by selling their wood. But you know that this plant, if we use a barren place, if we use a barren place for this plant, then it is good. But many people think that if we use any field, that time it is good for their planting. And in my area a lot of barren fields is bouquet. So that's no one thinks that if I planted there any plant, then we get a lot of things just like fruits, air and shade also.
According to your opinion, barrier field is necessary or not?
I think that it is, if it is barren, means that time we use it for planting. Means if we have no place for planting any trees, then in every places barren field is also present. So that's why we use it.
In our areas and many other areas, there's people also cut forested.
Yeah.
Then why they cut?
Because of the increasing population and their demand is also increased. That's why they cut it, but they don't plant it again, and that's why the forest is decreasing nowadays.
The wood of eucalyptus is also so large, so tall means. Then
And also so strong.
yeah, I don't know it is strong or not. Means No one wants to hear my voice. Okay. Okay. So listen. It's too tall. Means their food is also necessary for cooking and making cots and many things. Then if we don't do this, then it's a lack of food.
Yeah, you are right. Because if we cut any other trees, means just like that tree who gave us fruits and any other thing. So it is not good. Means it is good for that plant. Good for that means that tree not give us any fruit and we don't get by it a lot of shade. So that's why it is useful for good means for good.
Can you tell me the properties, means forms of water?
This type of forms means there water is made by two elements.
No, I don't ask about the substance which it made. I asked about properties, solid, liquid, and
It contains solid, liquid, and gas. In solid forms, we use ice, and in liquid form, what we drink. So that is its liquid form, and gas form means it is a vapor.
can you tell me the use of ice in our day?
In our way means we use it in summers a lot of, and we use it in many ways, just like in cold storage, and also for in summertime if any person is
Your family and my family, everyone gets harmful medicine on any vegetable.
not in my family because
Means your father don't grow potato.
no.
What they grow?
In my area means wheat and also rice is grow up and
Also
maize.
rice, there's a lot of medicine.
Yeah, they use it, but they use it in means a little way, not a lot. Just like it is a harmful.
I
for
don't
us.
said about the little or large quantity. I asked
If-
only this thing.
If you don't know, if we use it in a limited means in a limited way, that time it is not harmful.
Man, it's also affected on our body.
Yeah, it is affected, but if we use it means a large quantity, then it is affected a lot of.
Means in your area no other harvest grow.
No.
Means yours base soil is not much good. Means fertile.
It's fertile for wheat and for rice also, because near to my place a canal is situated. That time there is no lack of water, and it is good for rice.
Yeah. Also, you know this thing where the lack of water and their soil don't absorb much water. Means these things also happen there.
Yeah, and you saw means you saw the fields of Rajasthan.
No.
No one in don't any video and any other thing.
Yeah, I watch out.
When I go in Rajasthan, that time I saw there's a field. Means it is when I said to my father, then how can they grow up their crops there. Means there's no limit. Then if we said it a mountain, means if any mountain of soil is situated anywhere, but you saw it, if the heavy wind is blow, then you saw it, then it is not there, it is not present there after it is situated anywhere, and that's why people suffer from a lot of problems, and their fields is also destroyed by it, and it is very harmful for that pupils, and their people use it for doing means for doing that type of crops, means which is not contains a lot of water.
So you also know about the area about Kerala rainfall.
I don't know about it, but yeah, I watch in movies something that there's people grow up a lot of rice.
Means also in Meghalaya there's a lot of heavy rainfall. But you know this thing in Kerala their soil is not much capability of absorbing water. So this thing also depend on soil.
Yeah,
If somewhere soil is not have a capability of much absorbing, at that time we also a lack of water, because the water which is rain, it's don't get in inside of the soil.
yeah, and you know that means it is depend on the soil. Fertility of soil means which harvest is grow in that soil very well. Means at one time my father planted the seed of watermelon, and in my plot, not in any field, but in my plot that time the plants very small quantity, not just like the watermelon which is we purchase in market.
You know the seed of watermelon and the fruits is.
We save water in our bucket and they there's need save water a lot of there's need. They need a glass of water, but they fill a jug.
You have any question?
In which fruits and vegetables we consistency of water? In which fruit?
Watermelon.
You know about any more?
No, I don't know about that. You know about that plants, they give a lot of oxygen.
People
Yes.
and also banyan tree. According to me, these plants are very necessary for all humans.
Yes, also tulsi and neem.
Yeah.
They also give some.
And tulsi is so herbal,
Yes.
and it is so helpful in our also in our medicine. So you tell me, nowadays if we dig anywhere for searching a water, at that time we find we have to dig a much inside. Then why? But in past time people dig a well and they get water easily more than us. But they dig by their hands by the laborers. But nowadays we have a lot of facilities. So you tell me.
In present time, many people. In present time, many people fix the summer event in their people in our home, and they dig a lot of, and we said that boring. And when we dig inside a lot, then we get the pure water because of
At my home, mostly three, also 10 years ago, mostly, also dig a summer. But we left it, that's why we poured a new summer. That's why one place we dig, but there's water is not good. And also we there's a lot of problem we create in this. That's why we choose any other place, and there we get a lot of pure and good water. by it. So you tell me in some ways how it's happened.
Actually, I don't know because in all in
It don't dissolve anywhere.
yes.
If we burn, then it's maybe it's burnt, but it's not dissolved like